Good morning everyone, and this is Sushil Misra, and today we are continuing with the exercise 5.2 class 10th subject maths NCERT textbook, and today we are taking the question number 11, and the question is given which term of the AP is given. AP is 3, 15, 27 and so on. Question is asking will be 132 more than its 54th term. So let us find the what will be the 54th term of this AP. So A is what? 3, D is A2 minus A1, which will be equal to 15 minus 3, 12, N is equal to 54. So A 54 will be A plus 54 minus 1 into D. So A 54 must be equal to 3 plus 53 into 12, which is equal to 3 plus 639. And as you know, it is already given what will be the in which term or which term of the AP should be 132 more than its 54th term. So 54th term beta क्या आया 639. So AN must be A 54 plus 132. So this will be 639 plus 132, 9 to 11, 3 3 6 1 7 and 7. So this will be the last term. This will be the last term. Again AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now AN we have got, AN is what? 771 is equal to A is 3, N is what? We have to find minus 1, D is what? 12. So 771 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 12. 7 6 8, this 12 will come here, N minus 1, 12 6 ja 72, 4 12 4 ja is equal to N minus 1. Therefore N is equal to 64 plus 1, that is 65. Therefore 65th term of AP must be greater than its 54th term by 132. So this will be your answer. Firstly we have to find the value of 54th term. Thereafter we'll have to add 132 to get the last term, and by using this formula, as you know, we can get the value of N. Now we are taking another question. Suppose the question number 13 I am taking. And the question is asking how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So 13th. So AP will be what? 3-digit number. So as you know, the smallest 3-digit number is 100, but 100 is not divisible by 7. So we'll have to check out 101 whether 101 is divisible by 7 or not. 102. So let us see. If suppose 100, so 7 1 ja 7, 30, 7 4 ja 28, 2. 2 is what? Remainder. How many numbers we means how many more numbers we want to make it 7 plus 5, means this 5 will be added here. So 105. You can check out. 7 1 ja 7, this will be 3, 7 5 ja 35. So least 3-digit number will be 105. As you know, this is a multiple of 7, so next number will be 112 and so on. And the greatest 3-digit number is 999. Let us see, is it divisible by 7 or not. 7 1 ja 7, 2 29, 7 4 ja 28, 1 19, 7 2 ja 14, 5. So this 5 must be subtracted. So this will be 994. So last term will be 994. Okay, last term will be 994. Don't be confused. So Let us see. A is equal to 105, D is equal to 1112 minus 105, which will be 7, and AN must be 994. So by using AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN is given beta 994 is equal to A is 105 plus N we have to find minus 1, D is 7. So this will be 994 minus 105 upon this 7 is equal to N minus 1. So this will be what beta? 4, 14 minus 5 is 9, 8 by 7 is equal to 9 N minus 1. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 7 7 ja is equal to N minus 1. Therefore N is equal to 127 plus 1, that will be 128th term. Let us one more time. 7 1 ja 7, 18, 7 2 ja 14, 49, 7 7 ja. So 128th term. So how many 3-digit numbers? So 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Okay. So this will be answer, your answer. Similarly, the question number 14, how many multiples of 4 lies between 10? So first least number will be 12. As you know, 4 3 is a 12, 11 and 10 both are not divisible by 4. So likewise you can solve. Question number 16. Now we are looking question number 16. So question number 16 is asking determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceed the 5th term by 12. Okay, whose third term is given. So question number 16, third term of AP is equal to 16. Therefore A plus 2D is equal to 16. And the difference between 7th and 5th term, difference between 7th and 5th term is equal to 12. Okay beta, 7th term A plus 6D and difference minus A plus 4D should be equal to 12. Bracket will open, then this will be minus 6D minus 4D, 2D is equal to 12, D is equal to 6. D is equal to 6. Suppose this is equation A, put value of D in equation A, put value of D in equation A. So this will be A plus 6 2 ja 12 is equal to 16, A must be 4. First term is 4, D is 6, therefore required AP is, okay, required AP is AP dash dash, first term is 4 and the next term common difference means 10, 16 and so on. First 3 term will be 4, 10 and 16. First 3 term will be 4, 10 and 16. Hopefully you are getting my point. Maybe I am going little fast, so you can pause the video and you can revise it. Now similarly you just see question number 17, one more question. Question number 17, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. Last term of the AP means from the back side. So A will be what? A will be 253. A will be 253 and difference will be, as you know, from the last term only we have to see. So the difference will be A2 minus A1 means 3 minus 8. Suppose if we will take, then minus 5. You can see your example number 8. Example number 8 is given similarly as like the question number 17. So you can take the help from the example and you can find the value. And hopefully rest of the questions, word problems are very easy. Okay, like 19th question, 1995 the annual salary was 5000, so A is 5000 and increment is 200 for each year. बेटा 200 मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर अगर सपोज 5000 था तो नेक्स्ट ईयर उसमें 200 बढ़ गया, फिर 200 बढ़ गया, मतलब वो क्या हो रहा, कॉमन डिफरेंस विल बी 200, सो डी मस्ट बी 200 एंड लास्ट टर्म at the finally he is having 7000 rupees. 7000 means what, an, so you are having a, you are having common difference, you are having an last term, so you can get the value of n. We have already find in so many questions, so no need of solving here. You can try. If you feel any doubt, any problem, you can post your comments, so I will solve those questions, no problem. Hopefully you understood. Thank you and have a good day.